our distinguished and competent Public School District Supervisor, Dr. Irene E. Malate, Mom. To our dedicated and supportive school principal, Tree of Miloor Central School, Sir Raul M. San Vicente, Sir. Teachers, parents, visitors, and fellow movers, good morning. My name is Brayden James Casers Canciso. I am very excited to welcome everyone to our kindergarten moving up ceremony. Today is a special day because we are celebrating our hard work, our learning, and our big step forward. When we started kindergarten, some of us were small in size, some of us cried, and some of us held our parents' hands very tight. But now look at us. We can read, write, count, sing, dance, and play together. We learn many things and we learn them with smiles and laughter. To our loving teachers, thank you very much. Thank you for teaching us patiently, helping us every day and always caring for us. You taught us not only lessons but also how to be kind, respectful, and brave. We love you, teachers. To our parents and families, thank you for love and support. Thank you for waking us up early, bringing us to school, and cheering us always. We are happy that you are here to celebrate with us today. To our school administrators and visitors, thank you for joining us today. Your presence makes our celebration more meaningful. We are grateful for support and guidance in making our school a happy and safe place to learn. To my classmates and friends, congratulations all of us. We did our best, and now we are ready to move up and learn more new things. Let us continue to help each other and always do our best. Today we celebrate our dreams and our success. This is not the end, but the beginning of a new and exciting journey. Once again, welcome everyone to our kindergarten moving up ceremony. Thank you and enjoy our program.
Thank you, Brayden James C. Canciso. Thank you is a very simple word but a meaningful one. Indeed, this occasion is really an important one for our kindergarten competitors. At this point, let us listen to Principal 3.